press the bell icon so that you don't miss any of my videos, and please subscribe. Hello and welcome to Homespun Recipes. I'm Karishma, your host, and today I am sharing with you my special Sunday dinner routine. So in this special Sunday dinner routine, I will be making plain pulao, chicken curry and salad. And we will start by making chicken curry. So we will start by frying the onion paste. So I have taken oil in a wok, and this is about 5 to 6 medium sized onions which I have made into paste, and I will just mix it, give it a little stir, and then immediately I will be adding in the ginger garlic paste to this. I will add about 4 teaspoonful of ginger garlic paste. This is also freshly ground. I don't prefer to use ready-made ginger garlic paste into my curries, so try to make fresh ginger garlic paste and fresh onion paste, fresh tomato paste for your recipes. And then I am adding 2 spoons of turmeric powder. These are 2 small spoons. You can see the size of the spoon. And then 4 small spoons of Kashmiri red chili powder, and if you want it to be like more hot, you can use 2 spoons of Kashmiri red chili powder and 2 spoons of regular red chili powder. It depends on your preference. Now I'll add 3 small spoons of coriander powder, that is dhania powder, and 2 small spoons of cumin powder, that is zira powder. Then I will add 2 small spoons of garam masala powder to this. This is homemade garam masala powder. And then I will add around 1.5 cups of water to this, so that the masala base gets nicely fried. Salt according to taste. And then I will add one more spice to this, that is half a teaspoon of mustard powder, that is rai ka powder. Now you can see that the masala base is ready, so at this point I will add in the chicken to this, and then we will allow the chicken to cook in its own juices. We will put it in medium flame. Now the karahi in which I am making chicken, I have transferred it to the other burner, and in the front burner I am now doing the preparation to make the pulao. This is a plain pulao that I am making, so I will only add in some whole spices to it and then rice. So in goes cumin seeds, some bay leaf, and these are the spices that I have taken. There is black pepper and green cardamom, cinnamon, bay leaf, cloves. So all these spices goes into pulao, and I have added these. If you like to add star anise and all, you can add, but I make my plain pulao with these spices. So when the spices start to splutter, we will add in our rice, and this is not soaked rice. This I have just washed and I have added it to the pot. Normally when we make rice, we add water 2 times of the quantity of rice, but when we are making pulao, since we add ghee or oil in it, you just have to reduce it by half a glass or half a cup, whichever quantity you have taken. So like for 2 cups of rice, I will be adding 3.5 cups of water. Keep stirring the chicken in between also, don't leave it, and then we'll come back to the rice. Now this rice needs to be cooked in low flame, so I will shift it back to the another burner, and I will shift the chicken to the front one. Now I am chopping up some fresh green coriander, that is hara dhania, and I will straight away add it to the chicken. Now let us check the rice, how it looks. Oh, it is almost done. I added food color to it to give it a bright color, and meanwhile the chicken is also fried. You can see that the oil has separated. So now I will add around 2 medium-sized tomatoes which I have chopped to this chicken, and then we will just be adding water to this. The water will be according to the consistency of the gravy that you require. So don't add too much water, a little bit of water, around 1.5 cups of water will be enough. Now I will cover it and allow it to cook for another 5 to 7 minutes in medium to high flame, and then the chicken will be done. So now let's start preparing a salad. I am making very simple salad today. It is just tomatoes and onions, some green chilies and lemon. So my salad is also ready, rice is ready, and finally let us check the chicken, how it is looking. Yes, the chicken is also ready. I will just garnish it with some green coriander, and it will be done. So friends, this is the special Sunday dinner routine which I follow when I have not done any prior planning or preparation, and suddenly I want to cook something special. I go for this menu, that is plain pulao or maybe peas pulao, chicken curry and some salad, some curd, and you're good to go. If you like this special Sunday dinner routine of mine, please hit that like button, and if you want to watch more videos of this type, do let me know by commenting in the comment section, and please subscribe to my channel, press the notification bell, which is very important because anytime I upload a video you will get notified. Thank you so much for watching Homespun Recipes. You take good care of yourself, and I will see you in my